Hello, my amazing friends. Have you ever felt like your dreams are too big and your steps are too small to ever get there? What if I told you the smallest step you take today could be the one that changes your life forever? This is the story of a young artist who turned quiet moments into a masterpiece and proved that small steps can lead to extraordinary success. Sometimes the biggest dreams don't begin with a bold leap. They begin with a single, uncertain step. Meet Aarav, a young artist from a small town, with no fancy tools, no big stage, and no one to cheer him on. But he had one thing, a dream, and the courage to keep going. His early days were filled with struggle, old pencils, torn sketchbooks, and a head full of doubt. People told him to be realistic, that art won't pay the bills. But Aarav believed in something else. He believed in practice, in progress, in patience. Every night he came back to his desk. No audience, no applause, just one sketch, one step. As the weeks turned into months, something started to change. His lines grew sharper, his colors bolder, one small post a day, one new idea each week. And then, one day, a tiny cafe messaged him. "We love your work. Would you like to display your paintings here?" It wasn't a big deal to most, but to Aarav, it was a gallery in Paris. That moment lit a spark. More cafes, art walks, online orders. Slowly, his passion began to bloom, but the path wasn't smooth. One night, his hard drive crashed. Years of digital art, gone. He sat in silence. All that effort disappeared, but instead of quitting, he picked up a blank page and began again. And this time, his art felt different, more real, more raw, more him. Through the setback, he found his true style. Today, Aarav's work travels the world. His art hangs in homes he's never seen, on walls he never imagined. And messages from young artists pour in. "Because of you, I started drawing again." But when they ask him, "How did you do it?" he smiles and says, "One small step at a time." So, if you're watching this right now wondering if your dream is too far away, let Aarav's story be your sign. Start small, stay consistent, and don't you dare give up. Because greatness isn't built in a day. It's built in the quiet moments no one sees. Comment below, what's one small step you'll take today toward your dream? And remember, you don't have to be perfect to begin. You just have to begin. This is your time. This is your moment. You got this. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video, and remember, the best is yet to come.